Alright guys, first downhill trail today. Gonna do this one, Trapdoor. Just kinda doing this as a warm up. Oh yeah. Oh, this looks like it's been worked on recently. Oh, look at the gap. That's pretty cool. X. What does that mean? Not sure what that X meant. Whoa, bridge. Ah, that's pretty sick. That's a pretty cool bridge. Ooh. A little bit lucky. Yeah, I think that was the end of that. So that was Trapdoor. That's a pretty cool trail actually. Alright guys, so now after climbing up a hill, we're gonna go down big airs. And if you guys watched my videos before, you probably know that I like the jumps. So I guess we'll see how big of air there is on this trail. Actually, I think I've seen videos of this and it looks like the jumps are pretty small actually. So yeah. And so far they are pretty small. I still hope this should be fun. That's a cool one. That's the bigger. Whoa. Nice. Bit of a gap. That's the end. Alright guys, so now after a pretty long climb to the very top, I am, well, at the very top, so yeah, gonna go down Bad Jelly. I was gonna do Flaming Nora, which is a grade 6, but I had a little peek down there and it looks like no one rides that trail. So, yeah. And also Trail Forks grades it a grade 5, so yeah, probably not really a grade 6. Alright. Into Bad Jelly. What is this? Ooh. So that, yeah, you're meant to drop that. That was extremely violent. So yeah, I guess we'll continue on. Another X. Yeah. Alright. Oh, you click the roll. The one thing you can roll, I stop it. Okay. Ooh. Alright. Pretty cool trail so far. Pretty cornflakey so far. Oh my god. Alright. It's an off-camera corner. Oh, I think I meant to drop that. That was going a bit slow. Whoa. Right this way. Alright. Yeah, one of the reasons I decided to go right down here is it has the best reviews on Trail Forks and all the other ones at the top, so yeah, I figured it would be a cool one. A bit rudy now. Hi. Oh my god, that's very rutted. Ooh, more roots. A little bit of a shoot. Alright, and I think that was the end of Bad Jelly. That was actually a really fun trail. Alright guys, now we're going into Tree Hugger, and I'm doing this one mainly because I saw the exit of it and it looked really cool, so yeah, hopefully this trip is a cool one. Yeah, not too long, doesn't start that high up, so yeah. X, what does that mean? Oh, yep. Shoot. Yeah, I think the grade 5s in this place are a little bit easier than most grade 5s you'll find around Nelson. So yeah, that's why I said it was a... Ow, hit my elbow on the tree. I guess the name is accurate so far. We got a reason next to that. Pretty fun so far. Ooh. There was a panda face on that tree. Did you see that, guys? Alright. Little wooden feature. Oh yeah, this was the cool feature on the exit of it. Ooh. That was Tree Hugger. Pretty fun trail. Nothing like too challenging, but yeah, it's a pretty fun one. Cool bits on it. So yeah. Alright guys, well, now we're going down the Rockface. Probably the last trail I'm gonna do today, because as you can see, it's freaking pouring down. So yeah, maybe not the best idea to do a grade 5 trail when it's soaking wet, but yeah, the grade 5s here are pretty tame, so yeah. Hopefully we get a rock face eventually. What is this? Oh, spine. That's interesting. Oh, we got some rocks. Call that a rock face though. Ooh. Alright. Alright, and that looks like the end. Oh my god. Ooh. Alright guys, so that was certainly a pretty interesting ride here at Kaiteriteri. It was a pretty sick ride, but sadly the rain did come in, but now it's actually gotten pretty sunny all of a sudden, so that's kind of frustrating. But yeah, that'll do it for the video. So if you enjoyed this video guys, like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.